Stella. Welcome back to the madness. I mean the channel. We are here getting ready to go over the Trendmood box. This is the takeover box for Ole Henderson. It was $59. It came out roughly 2 weeks ago. And if you want to hear all about my box, and like everybody else's, and what came in and whether it's good or not, just stay tuned. Also, there's a little bit of a life update in the beginning of this video, so stay tuned for that. I'll see you. Back to the channel. How is everyone? I know it's been a little bit since I filmed, and there is a good reason for that. I have been sick. I know you guys kind of heard me saying I was starting to be sick on my last set of videos. Well, it has gotten worse. It started about 2.5, 3 weeks ago. I've had a cough, I've had a fever, I've had it all. I went to the doctor, they told me I had the flu. We did a week of that, and then they came back and gave me a COVID test because I've had all the symptoms to it. So I am awaiting the results. I am on day 6. If you'd like a whole video on me ranting about my COVID experience, just comment down below and I will make that separate from any and all good things like Trendmood boxes. But this is a little update on me. In the meantime, I have found some fun things to do with myself, like overtone. I've tried it before, but I got the new rose gold color for brunettes. That's what I have on my hair, and it's a lot of fun. You guys can change your color up super easy that way. And if you want a list of anything else that's, you know, at home that you can do while we're all kind of locked up and away, leave a comment below. I'll put a post together on my Instagram, lifestyle.ella on Instagram and lifestyle by Ella on Facebook. And with all that out of the way, let's get into the box. I also want to put a quick disclaimer out there, guys. I am going to cough. I cannot help it. I have waited to make these videos long enough to where I wasn't coughing that bad. So just, you know, understand I'm doing my best with it, okay? So that is where I've been. Let's get into our Trendmood box. Trendmood is a sort of subscription box that comes out monthly. This month we actually had 2 boxes. This one was a takeover box with Ole Henderson. It was $59, and we got 5 items in it from Ole Henderson, which is a great value if you guys do buy Ole Henderson and know how expensive it is. The box was a little different this time. We had some orange sides, and it's actually like a glossy purple this time instead of the matte. So that's pretty cool. And the inside, they did a whole takeover on it. So that's pretty cool. I don't see the scanning in this box, though. We had a purple roll with the, rather orange roll with a purple sticker. And we had lots of bubble wrap to keep everything safe. And like I said, everything in this box was orange on the inside. So that's pretty cool that Ole Henderson kind of got to change the boxes up a little bit. And it's definitely a very, very, you know, like glossy coating they put on it. So that's the box. This time we did not get a scan me, at least I did not get a scan me. We did get some information. This was the brighter, bouncier skin in 7 days for the serum, and it has a little bit of info on that. I'll leave that up for just a second on that one. And let's get into these 5 products. So they're all from Ole Henderson, which is awesome. Ole Henderson is a great brand. I am familiar with this brand. I have reviewed it quite a bit. But starting off with this one, this is the Glow 2 OH Dark Spot Toner, and I really do like toners, and I actually needed a new one. I was getting kind of low on the one that I've been using now. The one I've been using is by Pixie, by Petra, and this one is a super nice large size, and it's actually pretty cool. It's got like some bubbles and stuff in it, so I'll leave that up for a second so you guys can see it. It's 190 mLs. So that is a great product to start off with. And it did have a little bit of literature that popped out there. All right, next one is the Cold Plunge Pore Mask. This is a deeply purifying pore and reduces oils and clay snow lotus extract. This is a 90 ml 3 fluid ounce as well. Let's get this one open. I believe that these products are a little bit older than the newer banana ones. And this one kind of looks like this. It should have a safety seal on it right there. And since these clay masks are not my favorite, I am not going to open this guy up, and I'm going to save it for a giveaway. I will get some use out of the toner, but this is a personal preference for me. I'm just not as big a fan of these types of masks, but somebody will be, so stay tuned for the giveaway on that one. I've got that and a bunch of other things I've been putting aside for you guys. Next is the brand new serum. It's the Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum, and I'm super excited to try this one out. So let's take a look. It is a 30 ml. And it also comes with the Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream. Looks like a sample of that as well. That's pretty cool. And let's see. This has a blend of 15% vitamin C, 5% PHAs, and hydrolonic acid, 15% vitamin C, 5% DEPHA. So all really good ingredients. Let's get it going. It's definitely very orange. It doesn't smell like anything though. No, actually, once you get it going, it's kind of got a vitamin C smell to it, like any other, like the CEO cream from Sunday Riley or one of those. But yeah, it's really, really nice. It's not super sticky at all. It doesn't leave a oily feeling on your hand, so I'm really happy with that serum, and I'll definitely get some use out of it. Just a quick note for anybody who doesn't know, any of these vitamin C serums, you want to try and use these at night when you're not going out in the sun, because vitamin C will prone you to burn. But whenever you go out in the sun, SPF. So there's that one. And then the next thing we got was the Banana Bright Face Primer. It instantly illuminates, hydrates, and improves the foundation wear all day with vitamin C. So this one looks like it's an all-day day wear vitamin C. That one looks like it's the nighttime version. This may have that new version of vitamin C. It's supposed to be suspended easier, but I'm still kind of the old school that anything with vitamin C, if you're going to be out in the sun, is not a great idea. If you're just going to go to work or not be out in the sun, you could probably get away with it, but I would not wear it if you're going to go out in the sun. It tends to make you burn. So on this one, it's a 30 ml as well. And let's see what this one looks like. This is the day one. So this one, yeah, it definitely has a much different color. It's more of a thicker consistency, which is kind of strange because I would think the nighttime one would definitely be thicker. This one definitely has less of a smell of vitamin C as well. It's more of a slight citrusy smell than the vitamin C. So I think what they put in there was more geared to the day wear. So good job on that. I will definitely give that a go and see how I like that one. Sorry guys if you hear my dog in the background. We're all home, so you know how it goes. Alright, anyway, last one is the Banana Bright Eye Cream, and I have tried this one in the past, and actually it's one of my favorites for brightening underneath the under eye. It's also really, really good for anybody who tends to get like the lines under here, and I actually have mascara under here. Guys, I made an attempt at my makeup, but with my everything running, it's still just get over it. But yeah, this is a full size of the Ole Henderson eye cream. This is 15 ml, and this stuff is just so great as a eye cream. I've really liked it in the past when I've tried it. Huge vitamin C spent, and then it's also got a little bit of banana too, so definitely a great eye cream. So I'm going to get a lot of use out of that. So even in this box with one item that I wasn't as excited about, and again, that's a me thing because I just don't prefer those type of masks because I'm kind of lazy and I don't feel like putting it on and then taking it off. I got 4 things here that I will absolutely get complete use out of, and at the $58 price point, what does that work out to be? $6 not this product? $7? No, 8, 10, no, 12 or $13 product. But you actually got 5 in this one, so it was well worth it. I'd say $12 a product. It's definitely worth every cent of it. So if you guys like what you see here, this box is of course sold out. The volume 4 box went on sale today. That one's a little bit different. It's got some Troll eyeshadow palettes. It's got something from Kimchi. It's a highlighter palette, new Cora skincare, and some other goodies. If you want to know everything in that box, go to my lifestyle.ella Facebook. I'm sorry, lifestyle.ella on Instagram, and I can't talk. Lifestyle by Ella on Facebook and lifestyle.ella on Instagram, and I have full spoilers on that, the new Boxy Charms, Ipsies, and all that stuff up there. So with that, we're going to wrap up this review video and unboxing, and if you guys like the video, go ahead and like it. If you don't like it, go ahead and unlike it. Go ahead and consider subscribing to my channel. It would help me feel like I'm doing this for a purpose, and leave me those comments if you guys want to hear about overtone and things you can do while you're being in quarantine. And if you want to hear about my whole COVID story, we can do some story time with that one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye now.